Hello everyone, today we will speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Discord. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Discord and you will enter, not here. You will go to a Discord app, you will search about it here and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.